Hey friends, I hope y'all are having a great day today. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and today's video is part of the Pumpkin Palooza collaboration hosted by Andrea from Digging for Health. I will have the playlist and her channel linked in the description box for y'all so you can check out all the other pumpkin recipes being made too. So today we're making pumpkin scones, and I'm not going to be giving exact measurements on these because I did follow the recipe exactly, so I will have it linked for y'all in the description box. But we're going to have flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. We're also going to be adding some salt, and then we will add some butter after we give it a good mix, and then we're just going to crumble that in a little bit until you have a nice crumbly mixture. Next, we're going to be adding milk and pumpkin, and the recipe calls for, I think, buttermilk, but I just used regular milk, and I mixed them together because I have my pumpkin in that jar, and I wanted to be able to get it all out. And then we're just going to mix that until it's combined as much as possible, get it out on our counter to get it fully combined the rest of the way, and then you want to flatten it out and cut it into triangles. So until I made these, I didn't realize that scones was a fancy way of saying biscuits, because the process of making these and the way they turned out was very similar to a biscuit. The pumpkin flavor was not all that strong, I would say. I couldn't really taste the pumpkin. It tasted like a sweet and buttery biscuit. So although the pumpkin flavor wasn't very strong, they were still really good, and my kids loved them also. I made a glaze to go on top of them. I can't remember if the glaze was in the recipe, but it was just powdered sugar and a little milk. And I baked them at the recommended time and temperature, and this is how they turned out. They were really good. Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. I hope y'all have a great day. See you soon. Bye.